Have you seen this viral AI flag video all over social media? Today I'll show you exactly how to recreate it in just a few taps on your mobile device. First, we want to open the AI Marvels app. You can find the official access link in the description. Tap AI Lab and tap the first card. Import any black or white image like this one. Then we want to ask it to generate an image of two people standing on top of a skyscraper holding a flag. This is the prompt I use. I will also put the prompt in the description. You may customize the image model as you like. Here I am using Nano Banana 2 model as default. Then tap Submit. After a few seconds, the image is created. Choose the image you like and save it. Then go back to the AI Lab, tap AI Video Card. Select the second icon. Upload the image we created just now. Next, you may use the video prompt put in the description or describe the prompt yourself for the video generation. If you want to modify the text inside the flag, just change the text here. And don't forget to choose the latest Seedance 2.0 model as it provides better effect. Tap Generate. When it is completed, we have the viral AI flag video here. It also supports different aspect ratios. There are more trending AI video templates inside the app. Feel free to explore them yourself. That's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.